Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
This is the first time that you're clicking on my video. I am Sasha. Welcome to my channel. I hope that you're gonna find our content for today to your liking, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because that's what counts. Yeah, welcome to all my returning subscribers. Welcome to just who come just to look, like, welcome guys. Hello. So today, by the title, you know what we'll be doing. We'll be making cake. I don't think I've ever done a cake on my channel before. Never done a cake from scratch and icing the cake to show you guys like how I do it, especially I don't have the necessary equipment needed. So usually I just see what I can find within my home and work with it. So it's going to be like, just come and bake with me, you understand? So let's get this show on the road. Oh guys, and this is my handy dandy stand mixer. It's been in my family for quite a while now, I guess. From I was a little girl, I ever see this mixer. Mommy, how long we have the mixer here for? What, 6 years? No man, this is quite longer. From me little, me know this a mixer here, you know. It's like a something passed down from generation to generation. Anyway guys, yeah, you can also use your handy dandy hand mixer to do this as well, but it saves me from, you know, doing the manual labor. So if you have a stand mixer, that would be great. So yeah, I'm going to be making vanilla cake. And I have all my recipes here already lined out. My egg, milk, sugar, butter, vanilla, and also my flour. And in the flour I have a bit of baking powder and some salt. I already measured them out. You can go on the internet, of course, and find many different vanilla cakes. I tried a lot of different recipes on vanilla cake. This is a new one as well. So if I don't like it, I'll try to create one as I did in the past, or work with what I already have, or just find another one. I like to search on different recipes, see what the texture is like, the flavor is like, all that good stuff. So enough rambling, let's get this video started. I always say that I never can start. Let's get this video started, guys. Button for it to we are this hard. Oh, no worry. The recipe calls for mother. We don't need two. Well, we could have shown in the recipe still, but we want it to be a bit cake, so why you have to reach them look upon me? You couldn't just say, just be careful. Happy outside. I can't jinx me thing.
What jinx?
Yeah, jinx it, man. You're coming up bad vibes. You say everything, you know. You're recording, you know, right?
Every time for sure.
Yeah. It's a charge, you don't run a little girl.
So I don't dry them to see where you put the picture.
Guys, now I'm just gonna combine my butter. I'm going to add my sugar. Why you do that? Eh? You don't want some striving and YouTubing. My word, I do that. Thought it was recording. So what I said, guys, I had my vanilla extract. Normally they said to add like a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of vanilla, but this water-based vanilla take a lot, and you just have to eyeball it. Like if you know your vanilla is not strong enough, you use more than the average, you understand? So it's all up to your, what would you say, your estimate. So I'm gonna turn this on now and start the process. Okay guys, so it's 8 minutes now since it's been beaten on medium speed. This is what it's supposed to look like, light, pale and fluffy. So I'm gonna add the eggs 2 at a time, or 1 at a time in this case. So yeah, let's get started. Just taking out my spatula and just waving it down. Sugar as well. Heated. I'm gonna taste the mixture just to see. Taste the vanilla. So I'm still feeling the sugar grain. Should I mix it a little bit more? I think this is alright. Don't want to beat it or over mix it. So just gonna add my eggs now, 1 at a time, and yeah, let me just carry this back down. I just add 1 of my eggs, let that beat. Off and then just create down some balls to see if the egg is well incorporated. I'm gonna turn this one back. That beat. Gonna stop it again just to see if it's well incorporated. In other words, ensure everything blend up in a one. You understand? So I'll be do that for a couple more seconds and then start to add my milk and my flour mixture. Oh, and you're supposed to mix the dry ingredients together. I already have everything in one bowl. Just gonna mix it a bit more. And that's it, you're good. So now that's gonna set that aside. Oh, and also when we're going to start to add the wet and the dry ingredients, guys, ensure that you put the dry first and the dry is going to be there after as well, if that makes sense. So you're going to start off with the dry, then the milk, and you're going to end with the dry, which is the flour mixture, as you know, okay? We don't want to start off with wet and end with wet. It's not going to turn out pretty, so keep that in mind. So now that's over with. I'm going to add now my dry and wet mixture. Let you guys see from here how it looks. This is how it looks, guys. As you can see from where I'm at. So now we're gonna add our dry and wet ingredients in 4 parts. So I'm gonna start off with adding dry. You'll see as I go along. I can't really explain myself, but I can show you guys. Oh. I'm gonna do it on low speed because we don't want the flour to cook up in our face. We don't want no flour face today. We don't want the flour to dash up in our face. You want flour face? Is your birthday today? Nah. Yeah? Yeah. Low speed. Take my flour. Don't mind this, guys. This is just the mixture being covered because I see I want massive time and I know where my room I go. So I take my flour now. Remind my garbage. Jeff Mills, if you don't want to sponsor me, I don't have a small YouTube where you can sponsor me because I love the products. And I sprinkle some flour. Alright, I should put the pan in the oven with the butter in it and I grease it, but it still work out this way. Guys, don't follow me, huh? Okay, it's grease. So I'm gonna add some of my mixture. This I think this can make 2 6-inch cakes. So pour. Where did that come from? What is this? A mosquito. Something off of the thing there. Estimate it. That's all. Should I put more? Oh, I should. Going back. To prevent any air bubbles, I'm gonna do it like that. And we have more here to do a second batch. Because I want one to icing and then one to just eat right away. So. Okay guys, so I'm going to use this square pan. I forgot what inch it was to just pour the remaining butter in. This is empty now. Just gonna go over that little. Gonna do it like that. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven and then we'll see the results. Guys, if you could just smell it right now, this is how they're starting to look. So guys, this is the finishing product. So we're going to let them cool right now. So once you poke a knife or a toothpick and it comes out clean, you don't see any of the cake batter, that means it's finished. And in this case, it's finished. I probably left them a little tad bit too long, but it's still soft and bouncy, so I'm just going to let them cool. So guys, this is how it looks sweet when it comes out the pan. Sorry, as you can see, some caramelization was going on. So what I'm going to do is just trim the ends. And yeah, I'm so proud. Let's see your taste.